Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a landing page using System.io. Once on System.io, you can sign up for completely free. All you need is your email address, as you don't have to enter credit card information or anything like that. After signing up, you'll be led to this page, and from here you're going to select funnels from the top menu option. After you have selected funnels, you're going to tap on create in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to enter the funnel name. Then you can select your goal with which you want with the landing page. Which goal do you want to achieve with your new landing page? I want to build an audience, so I'll tap on that. Then you can select the currency. So for example, you can select USD or Euro. It all depends. So let me select USD. Then you'll simply scroll down and you're going to tap on save. After you have saved it, you're going to go over to the name and you're going to click on the name of the landing page that you had created. Then from here you can clear the thank you page right here, as we don't need that. So you can simply tap on the trash can, then tap on confirm. And also the inactive page, you can remove this. This page is displayed when the funnel is disabled. Okay, so you can leave that right here. And this is the squeeze page. So from here we'll be able to choose which one of these templates we would like to use as our landing page. So you can quickly scroll down and select any one of these. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. So you can quickly scroll down and select any one. For this example, I'll select this one right here. Let's preview it. And you can see how it looks. Here it is. So now to set it up, all I have to do is simply tap on select. After you have selected it, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to select the second to last icon that says edit page, and it will carry you to this dashboard on which you'll be able to customize your landing page. So let's say for example you want to change the top menu option. You could select that right here and you could delete any section you want, or if you want to delete the entire menu option, you can tap on the trash can to do that. You can also remove this icon if you want, and you can scroll down. You can change the wording by simply tapping on the headline, and from here you could delete this section if you want also, and you can edit this section and add your company name. So you could simply clear it right here and add your company name. For example, let me do that real quick. You can also scroll down and you can change the picture, the image right here. So you could delete this image and upload your own image. All you have to do is simply tap on the image box or whichever box you would like to edit. And you will see on the left hand menu option right here, you can see the image file. So you could simply tap on the X right here to remove the image, then tap on the cloud icon to upload your own image. So let's say for example I want to upload a random image just for example's sake. So it will lead me here. Simply tap on downloads, and let's say I want to upload this random image. I could simply tap on it, then tap on insert. Now after you have inserted your image, let's say you're giving away an ebook, then you'll tap on open URL. And after you have selected open URL, you're going to simply tap right here that says select file or paste URL, and you'll simply paste your URL right there. So you could simply tap right there. If you're going to give away a file, you could select file. But let's say you're doing a URL, you'll simply paste the URL right there. Then you'll select open in a new window if you want it to open in a new window. And you can scroll down, you can edit it in numerous options. Then you're going to scroll down and you can also change this section right here. And once all of the changes are to your liking, you can simply tap on Save Changes. And then you can tap on the icon in the top right hand corner to exit. Now to share your landing page, all you have to do is simply copy this URL right here, which you can tap on to copy, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.